Hey guys, welcome to the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A52. I know I haven't posted in a while, I'm sorry for that, but now I'm here, so here we go. So when you open the box, you get the usual paperwork, you get the SIM eject tool. I previously unboxed the device because of the open box delivery option available here. Then you get this device itself, you get the cable, type C cable for charging and data transfer. You get the 15 watts fast charger. The device supports 25 watts fast charging, but Samsung only included the 15 watts fast charger. There are no headphones or headset, so you'll have to purchase them separately. That is about it for the content of the box. The device does have a 3.5mm jack, so all your previous headphones will work, or you can get a good 3.5mm pair online. So moving on, the device supports the Snapdragon 720G SoC capable of 4G. The 5G variant of this device running on the Snapdragon 750G is not available here as of now in India. Oh no, that's not impressive. Yeah, I know, it's not impressive. But there are some things impressive about this device, like this beautiful 6.5-inch Full HD screen, then the Adreno 618 GPU, the 4500 milliampere battery, and the IP67 certification dust and water resistance. Most of the requirements of mid-range gamers, then media consumers, content consumers, and photography enthusiasts will be covered with this device. This device is aimed for mid-range market, mainstream market, for mid-range users. So those users will have a good time with this phone, but if you are a power user, then this device is not for you anyway. You will be aiming for a flagship, so skip this device and aim for that. Apart from that, this device is a good buy for any mid-range user. Oh no, then I'm getting replaced. No, G3, you are not getting replaced. You are just becoming a secondary phone now. Oh no! Just chill, dude. Don't worry. What the phone? You chill, man. I'm chill, bro. See this awesome blue back? Oh man, what an awesome blue color. Yeah, so like G3 pointed out, the device has this awesome blue color, which is aptly actually named Awesome Blue, and it also comes with awesome black, awesome white, and awesome purple color. So you have a good range of colors to choose from. So that's about it for the device. It's a good stellar buy for the mid-range market, but do keep in mind it's a bit overpriced. The 6GB variant of this device comes for 26,500 Indian rupees, and 8GB version that I have comes for 28,000 Indian rupees. So do keep the prices in mind. Other than that, enjoy the device. The 5G connectivity still hasn't arrived here in India. It will take some time, and at launch for a foreseeable future, the prices will be a bit higher anyway. So it's not like this phone is going to immediately phase out. So buy with confidence. Don't worry. If you buy this phone, enjoy it and have fun. Guys, take care. Stay safe. Bye. See you in my next video.